हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है ई गुरुकुल में। आज हम बात करेंगे क्लास 6 साइंस चैप्टर फर्स्ट, दैट इज फूड, वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम। सो हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे व्हाट इज फूड, सेकंड वैरायटी ऑफ फूड, थर्ड इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ फूड, फोर्थ सोर्सेज ऑफ फूड, फिफ्थ व्हाट एनिमल ईट्स एंड सिक्स सम इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स। फूड, इस वर्ड को सुनते ही आपके दिमाग में आएगा मोमोज, चाउमीन, डोसा एंड एक्सेट्रा, बट डेफिनेशन क्या होगी? So something that people or animal eats is food. It is eaten by living things to gain energy and nutrition. It contains minerals essential for healthy survival. Example dal, roti, chapati, etc. Variety of foods. We eat different food like egg, bread, etc. for breakfast and rice, dal, chapati for lunch and dinner. So there is infinite variety of food. Different food is made up of combining different ingredients. Like for roti and chapati, we need atta and water. For dal, we need pulse, water, salt, oil, ghee, etc. Now, sources of food. Do you know how many sources of food are there? If yes, then pause the video and comment below. So, there are two sources of food. First, plant, second, animal. Plants. Plants are the source of food ingredient like cereals, vegetables and fruits. For example, potato, wheat, rice, apple, etc. Now the question arises, which part of plant we eat? We eat leafy vegetables. We eat fruit of some plants and sometimes stems, sometimes roots and even flowers of some plants. Some plants have two or more eatable parts. For example, mustard plant give us oil and leaves are used as vegetables. Now let's talk about animals. Animals provide us with milk, meat and eggs. For example, milk that we obtain from cow, camel, goat and buffalo. Now let's talk about what do animal eats. आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि अलग अलग जानवर अलग अलग प्रकार का खाना खाते हैं, जैसे काऊ ग्रास खाती है, लॉयन मीट खाता है एंड सो ऑन. So based on this, there are three categories of animals. First, herbivores. These are the animals which eat only plants and plant product. For example, cow, horse, etc. Second category is carnivore. These are the animals which eat only other animals. For example, lion, tiger, shark, etc. Now third category is omnivores. Omnivores, these are the animals which eat both plant as well as animals. For example, dog, rabbit, etc. Now pause the video and tell me humans किस कैटेगरी में आएंगे, कमेंट करके बताएं. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक्टिविटी 5, जो कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. इसमें हम सीखेंगे कि स्प्राउट्स, जिनको हिंदी में अंकुरित कहते हैं, वो कैसे बनाएंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. स्टेप फर्स्ट, टेक अ बाउल ऑफ चना और मूंग दाल एंड ऐड वाटर टू इट. Step 2, leave it for 24 hours. Step 3, next day, drain the water and wrap the seeds with a wet cloth. You will observe a small white structure grown out of seeds. If so, the seeds have sprouted. If not, again follow the same procedure and wait for more 24 hours. Once the seeds get sprouted, add the spices and enjoy a healthy and a tasty snack. Next is how honey is produced. इसको आप सबने कहीं ना कहीं देखा होगा. दिस इज हनी बी हाइव. हिंदी में मधुमक्खी का छत्ता बोलते हैं. So the process is bees. Bees collect nectar, which is a sweet juice from flowers, and convert it into honey in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of year. So bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. Now let's discuss the questions of NCERT. So the first question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? Answer is no. As we have discussed, तीन तरीके की कैटेगरी होती हैं, कार्निवोर, हर्बिवोर एंड ओमनिवोर. नेक्स्ट, नेम 5 प्लांट्स एंड देयर पार्ट्स दैट वी ईट. अब इसके तो बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल हैं, जैसे ब्रिंजल, वो एक फ्रूट है. सेकेंड इज ग्राउंडनट, सीड है. पोटैटो, स्टेम है. स्पिनिच, जिसको कि पालक कहते हैं, वो लीफ है. वीट, सीड है. एप्पल, फ्रूट. There are lots of examples. Now match the following. First one, milk, curd, paneer. इसका होगा are all animal products. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot. ये vegetables. Lions and tigers. इसका तो सिंपल है, eat other animals. Herbivores. Herbivores बताया था मैंने are the animals that eat only plant and plant products. So इसका second. Now fill-ups. First one, tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. That means carnivore. B, deer eats only plant product and so is called obviously herbivore. C, parrot eats only dash product. इसका plant. Parrot eats only plant products. D, the dash that we drink which comes from cow, buffalo and goat is an animal product. इसका milk. Now the last one, E, we get sugar from sugarcane. Now here we completed our chapter. If you enjoyed, then do subscribe our channel and like, comment and share as much as possible. Thank you.